The chrome and glass first-class lounge buzzed with quiet conversations and the gentle hum of air conditioning. Marcus Thompson adjusted his navy blue suit jacket and glanced at his platinum watch. 3 hours until the biggest deal of his career would be sealed. His company, Thompson Technologies, had worked 18 months to secure this partnership with Skyline Airways. $4.8 billion hung in the balance. Marcus sipped his coffee and reviewed the contract details on his tablet one final time. His assistant Lisa had confirmed everything twice. The private jet was fueled and ready. Board members from 7 countries would gather in Chicago to witness the signing. This deal would revolutionize airline technology systems across North America. He closed the tablet, picked up his leather briefcase, and headed toward Gate 12. Success felt within reach. Marcus approached the gate where flight attendant Sarah checked boarding passes with a forced smile. Her expression changed the moment she saw him. "Excuse me, sir. This is first-class boarding only." "Yes, I know." Marcus handed her his ticket and identification. "Seat RA." Sarah examined the documents with suspicious eyes. "Mike, come here," she called to her colleague. "This doesn't look right to me." Mike hurried over, his badge gleaming under the fluorescent lights. "Sir, we need to verify this ticket. Do you have any other proof you purchased first class?" "My ID and boarding pass should be sufficient," Marcus replied calmly. Other passengers began forming a line behind him, phones emerging from pockets. "We're going to need to call security," Sarah announced loudly. "This ticket might be fraudulent." Murmurs rippled through the crowd. Camera flashes started going off. Marcus remained composed despite the growing attention. "I assure you, everything is legitimate. I'm Marcus Thompson, CEO of Thompson Technologies." "Sure you are," Mike scoffed, already dialing security on his radio. 2 security officers arrived within minutes, their heavy boots echoing across the terminal floor. "Sir, we need you to step aside," the taller officer commanded. "Officers, there's been a misunderstanding. My ticket and identification are valid," Marcus explained, keeping his voice steady. Passengers continued filming as the situation escalated. "Come with us now," the second officer demanded, grabbing Marcus by the arm. "I'm traveling to Chicago to sign a $4.8 billion contract with Skyline Airways," Marcus stated clearly, ensuring the cameras caught every word. The officers ignored his explanation and began forcibly escorting him away from the gate. Marcus didn't resist but spoke firmly. "Officer, badge number 743, and you, number 916. Sarah Mitchell and Mike Rodriguez, I'm noting your names as well." "Sir, you need to calm down," Officer 743 said, tightening his grip as they moved Marcus toward the security office. Airport manager Janet Wilson rushed into the security office, her face pale with concern. "What exactly happened here?" Marcus calmly placed his business card and company credentials on the desk. "I was removed from my flight despite having valid documentation." Janet's eyes widened as she read the card. "Oh my God. You're the CEO Marcus Thompson. The news crews are already gathering outside. Those passenger videos are everywhere on social media." Marcus pulled out his phone and dialed. "Lisa, cancel the Skyline Airways contract immediately." "Yes, all $4.8 billion of it." He paused, listening. "I don't care about the consequences." Janet frantically checked her computer. "Sir, Skyline's stock price just dropped 12% in the last 30 minutes. The videos have over 2 million views already." Marcus stood up, straightening his tie. "Then my message is getting through." The airport conference room filled with reporters, cameras, and bright lights. Marcus stepped to the podium, his posture confident and voice clear. "Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming." Flashbulbs popped as he began. "Today, I experienced discrimination that no human being should face in 2025. Two airline employees decided that a black man couldn't possibly belong in first class, despite proper documentation. The room fell silent except for clicking cameras. As a result, I have officially canceled Thompson Technologies' $4.8 billion partnership with Skyline Airways. This decision affects jobs, innovation, and progress, but some principles matter more than profit. Marcus paused, letting his words sink in. However, this isn't about revenge. It's about change. I call upon all airlines to implement mandatory bias training for staff. We must create policies that protect every passenger's dignity regardless of race, religion, or background. He leaned forward slightly. I believe in America's capacity for growth. Today's injustice can become tomorrow's catalyst for transformation. Together, we can build an aviation industry that serves everyone with respect and equality. Thank you. Marcus stood in his corner office overlooking downtown Atlanta, reading the morning headlines. Major airlines implement universal bias training programs stretched across the business section. His assistant Lisa knocked and entered. The European aviation contract is ready for your signature, sir. $3.2 billion. Through his window, Marcus watched planes take off from the nearby airport. Sarah and Mike had completed intensive sensitivity training and now worked as diversity advocates for airline staff education. Airport discrimination complaints had dropped by 60% industry-wide. Marcus picked up his pen and smiled. Sometimes justice moves slowly, but it moved forward. Real change was finally taking flight across America's skies.